Hanjang lang solo karcho sai kedeng. Parokhwa long Congress workers mai kangni. KSA Laru Head Branch Tupen West Karbi along DCSI Hemalong Pinpura Loki Pajodam. News time along pen kadoko ve phanta kardon pajoriglo nonar jiponik tha bir dang ton pen pini thang ni phain koran hini ada por phai Croatia por hanjang langso KSS unit lapen hanjang langso hinchong club atum kachipatir pi pen hanjang langso towar chekok along suri hinira krenar ke paning kana pharman plikebra priang deng Karbi Youth Festival along kachipati dun pen bangke thomatum hanjang langso phan nong meke wanajok karcho sai ke deng Raja Kime kachipate dun along kecheng sianong ikilong duna bangphi hunmili tisopi kengdong dang ke kat along kecheng sianong ikilong duna bangphu himari ingti lapen kangtang bodybuilder along adun thuanong echpalong duna bangphu virang terang atmaphat kangthum karni lapen karchupona sai kedeng alang litum bangke thomta hanjang lang so sor sai de lasi hanjang lang so hawar phanong mekiwan thegapot hinchong club amai pu Pratap Singh rong parlapen hanjang lang so KCS unit achun bang Rup Singh rong piatum pen karcho sai mesen pen pajutlo Nomati Mondal Congress Committee tumpini thang ni phain kora hini arni parokhwa long Congress workers mai kangni pusi pherang kepen birtanang pale parokhwa long pini Congress workers mai kipadopon Congress workers mai long MP Biren Singh Ingti EM Barimatum Ashok Teron la Biren Singh rong piatum chetong dun an parta Karbi Anglong District Committee pen penaan ke theke dinga tum talabang so mai long chetong dun si mai RDP nurinti pusi birtarip dun lang Hamren rong spi pen kilometer paroi sira truck eban kahilo chinthong ahwar KSA Laru Head Branch pen patir pi ponsi thang ni phain korai ECR ni West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Sahem Hamren along Pinpur aloki pajordam Pinpur alu along ki jongpona tengke jape johoi ki do Meghalaya pen upper chinthong Karbi Anglong ahwar along joy pen kating thura sai kedeng ponon puanta ing ton telang Meghalaya government pen sangse pin pen towar na kihut ki juna lang awar sai ki thik solar ki joy pen kiron pora sai pen chenglok asona scheme la pen project hai hui deng pon bom lang la swang bong joy pen water list along amen ke thap kang hwa sai hai hui ke claim theklong lapu chinthong Karbi Anglong ahawar pen ananing tan pen halapu Meghalaya anat vote ki pajok duna bidi kanglim pen Meghalaya government atum Karbi Anglong along lena ke kabalam lake pini pen ap kalilo thang ni phain kora choksi arni Meghalaya assembly ke liga sai ke padopon arni Assam police atum langchari dunsi ke parlopon thap Karbi Anglong voters doan epakta vote ke jogadim along palidun long le deji pusi pachini halapu Ribhoi district kalipin chinthong MEC constituency penang an arong along Meghalaya government atum ke ton kelang armu okso jiponsi mai ke patopona sai Klempon bom Kili kahut gari motor adilung toisi asona lam ki bai pen ki ponjia phan kabori pensi bot pajok gun bom polam hai hui pherang kyang no paklang pon Meghalaya pen ki paching thura sai kedeng pon to an prapjin pen pangton nangji laswang bong Assam government pen kaching thura sai kedeng ki pader ke mithang Assam mate Karbi Anglong along livir deji puta jong pon thu Pinpur alo DCR redeng pajir data phi CEM MLA SP penan parta local MEC phan laso copy palelo KSA Laru Head Branch pen ki pati pripon along KSA Hamren Head Branch parta hoyara tum thurpak pen RDP dun rinti Pinpur aloke pajir pon hot KSA Karu Head Branch amai pu Khorsing Rongpi Rapchun Bangjiten Phangcho Klem Bangphu Bida Singh Rongpi Cultural Secretary Mongol Singh Ronghang KSA Hamren Head Branch amai pu Prasanto Ingti penan parta MSC Barim Sarim Biatup Chitong dun pusi birta longtun Hamren apherang kepen nangge palya birta non malam sopor phandi na pharman birta ming tamanik sine Kaziranga English Academy future flourishes here. An English medium, co-educational, fully residential 10+12 school affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Admission open for classes 3 to 9 for the session 2018 and 19 for class 11 from April 2018. Opposite ISPT Garchuk, Guwahati 781035 Assam. For more details, you can log on to www.kazirangaenglishacademy.org or you can also email at the given address. Amlapati, D 472460, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admission open, Montessori up to class 9. Issue of prospectus and admission form from 1st of December 2017. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, audio-visual teaching aid with projector, smart class, Next Education Inter Private Limited, arts and dance classes, etc. Montessori classes will start from 1st week of January 2018. For admission details, please contact 03671 273084 or 7896 971 592 or 8724068454 or 8472091283. Pinilihin pen kato koi mata isi Birta Kemido. Birta Kemido lapuson henlo El Fresco The Talent Show Season 2 nan prapjin kam klang dapu. Asin nang litumta labang solong cepati dun jining hang urute bang ikha rapet nang cepati dun. For more information, you can contact at the number given on screen, or you can also visit Card News office at office hours.
Ganj, Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihnamo people thought beer talong wangtulo. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke paru constituency in korat chok angbong pen Amreng constituency henlo kaching thudun den nai mate ke pa phidun nai pa constituency lopuke Karbi Anglong aratum chini pame akapre kaching thorasai jongdam delo Arniwang kenang sot kachireng towar jasemet kheruni pen juru kindeng adak towar hilik kachiplang den ajoine gari motor pakek vong nang towarawi la so joine labang so towar black topping salam nang chipusi kedam tang KSS song penan parta akapre ka song tumsitame dharna kang nipon padolo. Juri kindeng Haiti along kedam tang 2017 aning kan pai chikloni pai crepe for Arni BJP victory rally ke padopona hot Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram rong hangpen kiruni juri kindeng kacheleng atwar mesen penselam popusi rat angno lamthe jai te kanglo an parta la sohut Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Horan Singh Besitame la sopothak rataphan lamchak pi te kanglo sita pini arnian talabang solam chak kang bodet ajoini haladak ke doratum arniwang ta towar ki bak pesi cheleng nang bomlang Pinpur me Amreng constituency ang kang juri kindeng hendo headquarter pusi haladak police station medical PPC block lapen prek jamasai hemta pangnilo sita kacheleng atwar kimi medet ajok pena ana kisung cecak nanglo kedam tang 1989 aning kan black topping salam chot pen non pu antala sotowar si juri kindeng hawara raptum cheleng nang bomlang towar kahino joni ong dunga gari motor sitame kahino apong la soang bong pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council basta ihumlo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council basta hut pen hino dak hudason ke raratum chonghong nakti mate kedam jadim ta damlong le titi lasi juri kindeng pen khirunia dak PWD towar kahino puke akimia lam kalilo athe Card News channel la pen birta lolong sitame ke klang apong lo pusi haladak ke doratum Ningji lasi prapjin pen black topping atwar ke salam PGF phansi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke chari ke theki dinga tuma phan chuningri thule thot lopota Ningji rinti Rajasthan State Tong District Nevaya along ke do Dr. KN Modi University along ke Charlie Bomb skip isi Karbia Thariatum North East Festival along Chongkedam Paklangdun Rajasthan Purthimia along Karbia Jutang ke Paklangdun Dr. KN Modi University pen nihang nireba Tharia Samietum pen ke Panong pen sila sorong jemate festival thangthang Crystal Cape Arnipado Birta Bangila Pansikang Ton Podiklo, Lengmot Card News Channel, Domi Takmik Kurwang 2.